Hi, Roy here from Yago Yoga. And here we are on day 27 of the 30-day Breath Awareness Challenge. So how did you get on yesterday with the gazing practice? Did you find yourself gazing and surfing the waves of your breath and opening up those channels, getting that beautiful sense of expansion, bringing you deeper into body breathing, breathing the channels, breathing the flow? How did you get on? Did it work for you? Did it work really well? Did you find yourself really getting into the gaze? Very good. Did you find yourself maybe doing it for 5 minutes at one point and you just find yourself just dropping into it? And again, it perpetuates or it encourages a natural meditation. You can just drop you into that space where you find yourself just going into a state of absorption. And any state of absorption is a meditation. Okay? So if you found that, well done, brilliant. But if you're having challenges again, put them in the comments below. So you'll notice that the where we're going in the last couple of days, and again we're going to do it today, is what we're doing is we're heightening the awareness part. So we're using our breath awareness and we're using our breath to expand out our awareness, and then we're starting to access our senses a little bit more. So the one we're going to access today is listening. Okay? And again, I'm going to give you a simple example now. Is you and I are here, and put time to one side. Time doesn't matter right now, is you and I are here. We're in this moment together. And what I want you to do is I want you to sit in silence for 15 seconds. And I'm going to sit in silence with you for 15 seconds. And we're going to listen to each other being silent. Okay? So, now you'll notice that when we sit in silence and that we sit and listen to each other in silence, is you'll notice that in that silence, a sense of presence appears. Is that our own sense of consciousness comes to the fore. We really get a sense of our own presence. Okay? So, I don't want you to focus too much on the presence today. We will another day, but it's that sitting in the silence is notice how you went calm and silent in yourself. So now, the practice today is I want you to, as if you're sitting in silence listening to all the sounds outside. When you sit in silence and you listen to, if you're in a busy street and you just sit in silence and listen to the busyness of the street, is the busyness of the street is a wonderful reflection of your own silence. It really amplifies your own sense of silence. Like you and I, it wasn't just you're sitting in silence, we're listening to each other in silence. And that amplifies our own sense of consciousness within it. So now, what I want you to do, again, you're breathing the waves, you're opening up all the airways like you were, is you're surfing the waves, and again, you're using your nostrils, now you're using your sight, you're gazing, and now what I want you to do is go into that place of silence where I just want you to listen to your breath. And I want you to sit in silence as you listen to your breath. And then notice how your sense of breathing expands more. Is you get it's a different type of spatial awareness of your breath because you're listening to it from a place of silence. And at the same time, you will get a strong sense of presence in yourself. That's okay too. But realize that you're listening to your breath. That's what I want you to do. So again, it's a simple practice, but also has its challenges. If you have a busy day, what I'm asking you to do is take a moment, 30 seconds, and then stop, sit in silence and do this. So that's a challenge. And then I'm asking you to do it multiple times a day. So again, it's a 30-day challenge. Is if you're getting this far, brilliant. Is well done. Is keep going. Okay? So now what I want you to do is subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed by now, you need to be clicking that button, please. Please share it with people. The more people we get on board, the better. Is put in your comments and we'll respond to them all. And then click the notification. Is keep up to date with everything we're putting out. And then other than that, have a super day and enjoy your silence and watch what happens.